In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a moving GIF into Google Sheets using a simple and straightforward method. This can be particularly useful when you want to make your sheets more visually appealing or when you want to add an element of fun or emphasis to your data presentation. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to your Google Drive, where you'll be able to access or create your Google Sheets. If you're planning to insert the GIF into an existing sheet, go ahead and open that file. If not, create a new sheet by clicking on New and then selecting Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to decide where you want to place the GIF for maximum impact within your data. Now you'll need to find the GIF you'd like to use. Head over to a reliable source for GIFs such as GIF or Tenor, or use another site that offers a variety of animated images. When you find the GIF you want to use, right-click on it and select Copy Image Address to ensure you have the correct URL that links directly to the image. Returning to your Google Sheet, click on the cell where you'd like your GIF to appear. From the drop-down menu at the top, choose Insert and then Image. Here you'll find two options, Image in Cell or Image over Cells. Selecting Image in Cell resizes your GIF to fit neatly within a single cell, while Image over Cells lets you position the GIF more freely across multiple cells. Choose the option that best suits your needs. A window will pop up prompting you to select a file. Instead of uploading, paste the image URL that you copied earlier into the URL field. Click Select or Insert depending on your interface setup. And just like that, voila! Your moving GIF should now be visible in your sheet. An important note is that Google Sheets might automatically adjust the size of your image to fit within the confines of your selected cell or cells. So you might need to adjust the cell dimensions to ensure your GIF displays as desired. Simply click and drag the cell borders to tweak the size according to your GIF's original dimensions. Lastly, it's always a good idea to preview your Google Sheet to ensure all elements are displaying correctly. Don't forget to save your work by clicking File and then Save, just to make sure you don't lose your new, visually enhanced version of the sheet. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add some animated flair to your Google Sheets. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.